With more than 25 years of experience, what do you think about the state of pharmacovigilance today?
So we have moved quite a bit, in the last 60 years, starting with individual case safety reports, trying to identify safety signals. In the 70s, Health Canada had, for instance, a shelf system like pigeonholes in order to identify a safety concern just by the height of the paper files. But with the increase in volume, which we have seen over the last decades, with the complexity of diseases, an aging population, polypharmacy, we needed to advance our methods, and particularly with assisted computerized technology. So today, I think we have developed pharmacovigilance into a mature science-based discipline, which is a combination of regulatory science with medical science. And with the most recent EU pharmacovigilance legislation, we certainly have now methods and principles in place which provide the right framework for us to go forward. And most of the companies, as well as regulatory agencies, follow these principles around the globe.
Does this mean medicinal products are safe?
This would be nice, wouldn't it? I think we have somewhere to accept that medicinal products are effective and they have desired effects, but they may also have undesired effects. Therefore, I think we are glad that we have shifted our emphasis on benefit-risk assessments to understand really what is the effect of the disease and the benefit of the treatment versus, what the potential for adverse drug reaction is.
What are the challenges for pharmacovigilance going forward?
So very clearly, to identify a safety signal at an early stage, which would allow us appropriate risk minimization, will still remain a challenge. We have more sophisticated methods and we have computers, technology, but we also have far more interfaces. So particularly when you look at pharmaceutical industry today, many of them have partners for the development, for commercial activities, or for manufacturing. And while all the pharmacovigilance activities may be perceived like sequential steps in an assembly line, these activities are split between many different partners around the world, and very often only, of course, electronic handovers. So this remains very challenging to ensure accuracy, precision and completeness of the data information which is collected and needs to be transformed into product information in the end for patients, prescribers and pharmacists and of course regulators.